Cameras can also provide some peace of mind at home when it comes to keeping an eye on children, especially toddlers. We found this remote room monitor that seems like it's a perfect thing, so we'll hook this thing up and just see if it does what it says it does.
Sounds good.
The Eyes-On remote room monitor is an app-controlled video camera that lets you stream live audio and video securely to any Apple iOS device. The only wire involved supplies power to the camera, which can be mounted almost anywhere because of its unique base.
It's pretty cool. It's magnetic, so that you can pivot it wherever you want like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Once the camera is set up and ready, you download the free app from STEM Innovation to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, and you can begin monitoring.
Then all you have to do is, using the free app, you can go on and wherever you are with your smartphone, as long as you have phone service, you'll be able to see what Dwight's doing and hear what he's saying.
The Eyes-On can also alert you when there's motion or noise and even record the signal to a free private YouTube account.